I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your transactions with HSBC, enabling transaction notifications is a great way to keep track. Here's how you can set it up. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Open the HSBC mobile app or website and enter your login details. Make sure you have your security device handy if required. Step 2. Navigate to Notification Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Profile section. Look for notifications or alerts in the menu. Step 3. Choose Transaction Notifications. In the Notification settings, look for Transaction Notifications or similar wording. Select this option to customize your preferences. Step 4. Set your preferences. Decide how you want to receive notifications via email, SMS, or push notifications. Make sure to enter the correct contact information. Step 5. Save changes. After setting your preferences, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if you don't see the option for transaction notifications, it might be under a different section or require you to update your app. Happy banking!